Whose little feet are these? Look at these little toes. Whose little toes are those? Oh. Oh my. Oh, look at this pig's belly. It's Dominic. It's the Dominic. Hi, baby boy. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. Is he so cute? Yeah. Who's so cute? Where's your smiles? Where's your smiles? Oh, it's a sneeze. Oh, bless you. Bless that little heart. Oh. Yeah.